Getting ready to work on this Mustang GT. It was a hit run in a parking lot. Crooked app. Old man doesn't want it on Carfax. He doesn't want to have his brand new car repainted. So we're going to go with Paintless Dent Repair and see where we can get. Flip around and we'll show you what I got. You can see 3 distinct dents. It's got a little paint damage on there. It's going to touch up. You got the creases going across here. This really deep. This is a double panel right here. This is glued, bonded to the back side. So this wraps around. There's a little contour line here. Got this one in here. You can see how that edge is actually pushed in, and he's got a little paint fracture on there. I think he's gonna touch up, or I'll touch up for him. Anyway, let's check back and take it from there. Okay, go over this GT, show you natural sunlight, flip around. No Bondo, no paint. I didn't do any color sanding and polishing on this bad boy. This is right around 8 hours of hard work. So you see it came out really, really nice. And I always say it, my favorite quote is, Da Vinci, artwork's never finished, it's only abandoned. I was able to keep it under this kid's budget. It was a hit and run, and that is work. I caught the guy, but you know, sometimes that doesn't matter. But anyway, here we go. Got something similar? Give me a call. This is Eddie with the Dent Devils, Paintless Dent Repair in San Diego. Man, look at that flag. That is beautiful.